Go towards me. Here you go. There's Isabella trying, what is it called? The
Ripstick.
Ripstick. Okay, can you turn it? Oh, okay, I'll turn it around this way.
Can I turn?
You did good, Isabella.
It's really fun when someone's holding me.
Yeah, okay, let's give Isabella one more chance. Here, do you want me to do it this way? Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. There she goes. Hi. There you go, Isabella. Woo. All right.
I wanted to turn.
Yay, you can. Awesome. All right, Christopher.
It feels so easy to turn around.
It does, huh?
Just
Okay, ready?
wee. Touch.
Okay, Christopher.
Touchdown.
Okay.
You have to get your feet like right there. The trick is you have to.
Okay. Oops. Okay,
But
Christopher.
it has to be tilted.
Well, we're gonna let him start. Okay. All right.
And you twist your hips.
Oh, it's kind of hard.
You have to twist your hips.
Okay. Not easy, Eleanor. Leonor. Okay, sweetie. You want to try it one more time? All right. Okay. Put your feet a little bit farther apart. Farther apart. There you go. Okay, Christopher. Not easy. Okay.